Hello everyone, welcome to maths class. In today's class, we will study about HCF, that is highest common factor. Yes, HCF and LCM are the two very important terms in mathematics. In today's class, we will discuss HCF and different methods to find HCF. Okay, so first of all, what is HCF? You all know about the factors. Now, suppose you have two or more than two numbers. Suppose you have two or more than two numbers and you have calculated the factors. Now, the highest number among all the common factors of the given numbers will be called as HCF or highest common factor. Can be in two numbers, it can be in more than two numbers also. So highest common factor can be calculated in different ways. So let us discuss the different methods to find the HCF. So different methods to find HCF. There are basically three methods to find HCF of two or more than two numbers. First is factorization, second is prime factorization method, and the third is division method. Now let us discuss one by one. First is HCF by prime factorization method. Now, prime factorization method is your normal factorization. Whenever you have to find a HCF by prime factorization, what we will do, we will calculate the prime factors first. Like in this case, you can see we have to find a HCF of 24, 36, and 48. So first you find the prime factors of all the three numbers. Like you can see it here, I have written 24 prime factors as 2, 2, 2, and 3. So you can just draw a line here and then you can find the prime factor. So 24, it is 12, then it is 6 here, then again divide with 2, 3, and then it is 1. So you can see it here, 24 in product of prime factors, it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Similarly, we can find the prime factors of 36. Then third is prime factors of 48. So after writing the prime factors, we will check the common prime factors. Now you can see in these three sums, in these three numbers, the common prime factors are 2, 2, 2 times 2 is coming in this also, here also, and in 48 also. So 2 times 2 is coming in all the three numbers, and one more thing is also coming, that is 3. So 3 is also common. So first you circle the common things. So now you can see the common prime factors in three numbers is 2, 2, 3. So HCF will be the product of these three numbers. So answer will be 2 into 2 into 3, 12. Let us discuss one problem. Okay, suppose you want to find the HCF of 63 and 72. Now, factors of 63, prime factors of 63, it will be 3 into 3 into 7. And then prime factors of 72 will be, that will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now check the common factors, just circle the common factors. You can see it here, 3 is here also, 2 times 3 is here, and 2 times 3 is in 72 also. So the HCF will be 3 into 3, that is 9. So in this way, you can find the HCF quickly by prime factorization method. So let us check our answer is correct or not. Yes, our answer is correct. So this is called HCF by prime factorization method. Next method. Next is HCF by division method. So whenever you have to find HCF by division method, we apply long division or repeated division. Like see in this example, HCF of 75 and 180. So when we are dividing this one, the bigger number should be as a dividend and the smaller number will be the divisor. So divided till you get the remainder as 0. So in this case, when you divide 180 with 75, remainder is coming 30 here. Now take 30 as a next divisor, and 75, which was a divisor in the beginning, you take it as a dividend now, and again divide. Now again the remainder is not coming 0, so you take it as a divisor again and shift this divisor to the dividend next time and keep on dividing. That is why we call this division method as repeated division method also, because we divide until we get the remainder 0. So this is an example of two numbers. We can easily find the HCF for three numbers also here. Like you can see it here, we have to find the HCF of 84, 90 and 120. So when we have three numbers, then we will divide it, we will break them into two parts and then we divide. Like 84 and 90 we have taken first, and when you have divided 90 with 84, you can see it here, we are getting the HCF as 6. Now take this HCF 6 and divide this 120 with 6 and solve it like in the previous case we did, until we get the remainder 0. So after getting the remainder 0, then the last divisor will be the HCF. So in this case, HCF is 6. So when you have more than three numbers, you can apply this repeated division method also. So this is the second method of finding the HCF. Now suppose you want to find the HCF by this method, and we have the question as HCF of 44 and 60. So let us apply the method here. First you take 60 as a dividend, 44 here, divide this one, then it is coming 44 here, it is 6 here, 16 here, and then again divide. 44 will be here, 16 times 2 is 32, then 12 is a remainder, and then take 16 in the as a dividend, again divide, it is coming 4 now. Now 4 is the divisor, 12 as the dividend. So you can see it here, we are dividing here. Now in the last step here, we are getting the remainder as 0, and the last divisor was 4. So we can say that the HCF is 4. I hope you have got this one. Now let us discuss the next method. So next we have is HCF by short division. Yes, we have another type of HCF which is very commonly used in finding HCF for more than three numbers also. Let's see one example here. This is the case of two numbers, 24 and 36. Now one very interesting thing in this case is, like, you divide, okay, like you do with the LCM questions, 24 and 36, you have to divide until you get a you are getting the common divisors, common factors. And the moment you see that there is no common factor, you stop there only. Like in this case, you can see it here, 24 and 36, common factor is 2. Now 12 and 18, common factor is 2. Then 6 and 9, common factor is 3. Now 2 and 3, they don't have any common factor, so we will stop here only. And the product of this side numbers will be the HCF. So 2 into 2 into 3 is 12 is the HCF. Now let us see how to apply this type of division in three numbers. Like here 60, 120 and 90. Same process. You keep on dividing. Yes, keep on dividing, and when you see that there is no common factor, you stop there only. No need to divide further for HCF, and just multiply these terms to get the HCF. So HCF in this case will be 2 into 3 into 5, that is 30. So 30 will be the HCF of this number. Let's do the next one. HCF by short division method. We have done now this HCF by short division. Now let us do one problem based on this. Like you can see it here, we have to find the HCF by short division of 48 and 60. Okay, 48 and 60, we can see that we have a common factor 2. So when you write 2 here, this will give you 24, and this side it is 30. Okay, again 2 is a common factor, so 12 and 15. Now 2 is not a common factor. Let's take a common factor here, that is 3. So 4 and 5. And we will stop here only because now you can see there is no common factor of 4 and 5. Now HCF will be 2 into 2 into 3. Again 12. So in this case also answer is 12. So HCF of 48 and 60, by this method we are getting it as 12. Answers will be same whatever method you apply. It is your choice which method you want to apply in the question. Okay, so you can see Smiley is saying that our answer is correct. Okay, now next method is HCF by Venn diagram method. Yes, you can apply this method also to calculate the HCF. This is also based on the common factors only. If you know the common factors, you just draw a Venn diagram. This intersection part will give you the HCF. Like here in this example, 60 and 84, you can see we have written the common factors in this intersection part of the circles and the remaining in the separate in the the union part. So you can see it here. The common part is saying that HCF is 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. Now how to apply in questions with more than two numbers? Like here we can see HCF of 16 to 18 and 28. Now HCF of 16, 18 and 28, quickly you can see it here. For the common factors, you can see HCF for the 16, 18 and 28. So 16 factors are here, 2 into 2, and this is a intersection part. You can see here intersection part of 3 circles. So for 16, the factors are 2, 2, 2. And for 28, the factors are 7, 2, 2. And for 18, the factors are 3, 3, 2. So because 2 is coming in the intersection part, so HCF is 2 here. So here we are applying factors method also and a Venn diagram method also. Okay, now let us quickly do one problem based on this HCF by Venn diagram method. So let's see what is the question here. Okay, we have to find the HCF by Venn diagram method of 30 and 105. Now quickly see what are the factors of 30. So 30 factors are 2 into 3 into 5, and 105 we have the factors as 3 and 3 into 5 into 7. So let's take this circle for 30 and this circle for 105. So factors of 30, we can see in both the cases 3 and 5 is coming common here, 3 and 5. So 3, 5 is here and 2 is here and 7 is here. So 3 and 5 is coming in the intersection part. So HCF will be 3 and 5, 3 times 5, that is 15. And this method is very, very useful when you want to find HCF and LCM in the same problem. So how to find LCM, that I will discuss in the next class. Yes, our answer is again correct. You have understood all the methods. So any method you can apply according to your choice, whichever you think it is easier for you, you can apply and you can find the HCF very easily. Thank you.